Panther is considered to be one of the best World War II medium tanks, although there are several arguments around the type, but without a doubt, it's the last backbone of the Weimar armored troops. It mounted and danced in the last years until the fall-down of the Reich. Today, I'm going to build this Panther from Trumpeter. It's my first cat. I didn't find many issues in the kit. The expressions is sharp and effective. I give up on the interior of the chassis, which doesn't make much sense and it's not complete. But I did build the interior of the turret. It's adorable and nice looking. Besides, it would be a perfect handle for the following painting jobs. First of all, protect the metal parts with a special primer. It fixed most of the PEs, but I did find it show some weakness on the metal gun barrel. I would like to try something stronger in the future projects. A black and white process is my comfortable way to start painting. In my mind, it's the perfect condition of the model at a certain point, pure light relationships. I'm going to apply a yellow-green camouflage on the model, yellow and green, along with their highlights, together 4 layers for the main coat. I will use blue tack to mask. It's bendable and easy to shape. I did leave some airbrush leak on the coat, but no worries, they could be easily fixed. The kit offers only full steel roll wheels. It's interesting, I learned that it exists in history, but was very rare in terms of quantity. Highlighting the details on the surface and applying the basic chipping effects, which makes it become used. The original tracks within the kit are quite hell-alike. You need to glue every single piece of the track and every single tooth, so that I replace them with a 3D printing product. It's so delightful for me to stay in the joy of scale models. The build is 99% out of box. The modification I make here is to add a wire for the night vision device. For the rendering, I would like to start with a black beam wash, which makes the details more shown up. Then follows a wet mud-alike enamel wash, which gives the model a basic tone. Use similar color pigment wash as an end-up. Dealing with the rustic effects is always interesting. I have learned much from other master modelers. but I'm still forming my own comfortable way to make it. On my final step of weathering, I use synth white oil paint to create diverse fade effects on the surface. Voila, that's it. I didn't build a diorama for it at the moment. I would like to build up a story that a tank crew is evacuating from a hated Panther, which is similar to the historical videos. On one hand, I'm lack of spendable time. On the other hand, I'm still learning something in terms of materials and techniques. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.